Borobudur Temple is a temple which became a pride of Indonesian people because it is ever been included into the Seven Wonders of the World. It also became the largest Buddhist temple in the world. This is temple located in Borobudur Village, Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. It is approximately 100 kilometers from Semarang, 86 kilometers from Surakarta, and 40 kilometers from Yogyakarta. It was found a place of worship from Mahayana Buddhism by Sailendra dynasty in 800 AD. It was first discovered by Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles in 1814. At that time, it was found crushed and buried in the ground. Originally, it has 10 levels, which have overall height about 42 meters. However, after the reparation, the height of Borobudur became approximately 34 meters. The front side of Borobudur Temple is facing eastward, although each side of the temple has similar form. There are three main levels of the realm in Borobudur. The third level is Kamadhatu, the realm of lust, Rupadhatu, Tangable realm, and Arupadhatu, formless realm. There are so many reliefs on Borobudur's wall, which total is 104,060 panels. These reliefs tell about ancient stories written in Sanskrit language and read by Mapradikisana. Mapradikisana is a way to read in accordance with the clockwise direction. The way to read the story starting from the east of the gate at every level of the temple. There are so many stories written on Borobudur's wall. The first story of the relief is Karma Vibhaga, which written on the foot of this temple. It tells about karma. Karma is the law of cause and effect obtained by humans. This relief depicts human action both reprehensible and commendable, along with what will they have. The next relief, Laita Vistara. This relief lies in the stairs on the south side of the temple. The number of the relief are 120 figures which illustrate of the story of the Buddha from birth become a Buddhist. And then last are Jakarta and Awadana relief. This relief tells the story about Buddha before he was born. Besides decorated with relief, Borobudur also has so many sculptures which become a symbol of the Buddha embodiment. The statues are sitting cross-legged in the lotus position and show a certain hand gesture. They are located at Rupadhatu level. There are 432 sculptures there which are lined sequentially in every niche of this level. In the first row, there are 104 niches. In the second row, there are 104 niches. In the third row, 88 niches. In the fourth row, 72 niches. And the fifth row, 64 niches. Besides sculpture, Borobudur Temple also has stupa. There are 72 stupas at the level of Arupadatu. The stupas are spread in the court at this stage. In the first court, there are 32 stupas. In the second court, 24 stupas, and the 16 stupas on the third court. Since the discovery of the Borobudur temple, there are so many Buddhist statues. Originally, the amount of Buddha statue is 5,004 statues. More than 300 statues have been damaged. Most of the statues of the Buddha are headless because often being stolen to be used in a museum collection.